What's up, guys? Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm, and guess what? She's about to pop. It's always tough to record in here with the goats because they're so drawn to the camera and they just want to check it out, chew on it, pull on it, whatever. Especially Topper and Tip. The two males are super curious. But as y'all know, or if you don't know, we have Nigerian dwarf goats. And Bootsy is our first female doe, and she's pregnant by this handsome young man, Mr. Topper. Ain't that right, buddy? You so beautiful. Not all goats are super friendly. Bo Peep right here, she's a little skittish, and mainly because she wasn't bottle fed like this guy was, or Crazy Tip. They're bottle fed, Bootsy's bottle fed. And another thing we found out is, or at least with our experience, the males or the bucks seem so much friendlier, or at least to me. They're a little bit crazy.
Jump around! Jump around! Jump around!
Bootsy's getting really close. I mean, really close. I would say within a week. We've been checking her ligaments, which run down the back of her spine to her tail.
Feel them right there on your toe. That's all they are.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try.
Feel them.
Here?
Follow her tail.
They're so soft.
It's squishy.
Squishy. And I'm gonna be honest with you, we are not goat experts. We've had goats, we know a little bit about goats, but we're not like super duper goat gurus. Gosh, look how big she is, y'all. Girl's pregnant. So we've been getting a lot of help from Courtney over there at Life on Bigger Road, and also Terry at Old South Goat Farm. And so we've been checking her ligaments. That's what they've been telling us to do, and we think we're doing it right, but her ligaments are starting to get squishier. Ow! And what happens with a goat is right down there, like I said, let me show you. But she's probably not gonna let me, but Topper will. Right here, and you can feel her ligament right there. And what happens is that ligament just disappears when they're fixing to go into labor. So we'll be having some baby goats soon if everything goes well. And assuming it would, but sometimes things don't go well. No. Let me feed these guys. I do get asked from time to time, and I have mentioned it before, of what do we feed our goats, and we just use a really good, just a really good goat feed, and we use a feed here in Alabama called Tucker Milling. And I do use medicated feed because of coccidia in the small area I got them in, because I can't do any type of pasture rotation. Now, when they start milking and we want to keep the milk for ourselves, if we decide to do that, then no medicated feed, or at least for the does there will be no medicated feed. And we give them a good quality hay. And the hay we get here in our area is coastal Bermuda. That's what we have an abundance of. That's 99% of the hay that we can get here in our area. And I buy a big round bale, keep it in the horse trailer, so that way it stays out of weather. And we just use that hay, and it lasts us a good long time, and it stays super fresh in that horse trailer. and we use it for everything around here. The rabbits, the goats, the meat chickens. That's one of the best things we've done here is to switch, buy one big round bale, keep it in the horse trailer right here instead of buying several of those square bales. But we went with Nigerian dwarfs because of their size. They're so much smaller than a regular goat or average sized goat, say like a Nubian dairy goat who gets pretty big, and we're so limited to space. So that's why we went with Nigerian dwarfs. But the cool thing about Nigerian dwarfs is they can produce a lot of milk for their size. Their milk has a high butterfat content, and we just love them. They're pretty much so friendly, so fun to be around.
Hello, people.
There go, Tip. Ooh, look at them babies.
Tulip trees.
They do love the tulip trees.
Bootsy said it's good for her babies.
They're different than what people think of tulip trees. That's it right there.
The bloom looks like this.
Yup. And people think of tulip trees, they think of those big pretty pink ones. Now, Mrs. Cog Hill and Mary Carl claim they're gonna milk the goat, so we'll see if that happens. We got a milking stand, I bought a milking stand, and it stays in the sweet shop, so we'll see what happens when Bootsy has her babies, if they'll actually milk her. This is Bootsy's first time. So there's definitely be an experience for her and an experience for us. This will be our second time having babies. Now Bo Peep had a one buck, that was her first time. And his name, we named him Bo Jingles, and we sold him to Chopwood Farm over in Tennessee, and they renamed him Billy, and Billy's doing wonderful, great. If you want to see what Billy's doing, check out Chopwood's Instagram page. They post pictures of Billy all the time. Now, Topper's white, Bootsy's brown and white. Reckon what color the baby's gonna be? What do y'all think? What color, Mary Carl?
White and brown like her.
White and brown. What color, Mama?
Gray.
Gray. Hey, Top, you ready to be a daddy? Huh? Are you ready to be a daddy? Say. You guys ready for babies? What about you, Uncle Tip? Tip's gonna be like that crazy uncle that we all have that listens to really loud classic rock and will buy you beer.
It's the one and only T.I.P.
One thing that we are about to do with the goats, or we're about to expand their pen. We're gonna come off here and we're gonna go up this way and on up to here with it, and we're gonna have basically a buck area and a doe area. Right now we haven't really had any need to separate them because, you know, we wanted our does to get pregnant. So, you know, Topper's completely fine with them, but when the little babies come and as they get older, we just need to separate them because you don't want them to get bred too early. Are you excited about your babies? Woo! Woo! Girls! Y'all be on the lookout for possibly goat videos coming soon because we don't love baby goats jumping around, being silly. Tip, what are you doing? Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you want to know more about our goats, check out this goat playlist right over here. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you're interested in any Cog Hill Farm merchandise, check out that link right over there. Y'all be good. Ain't that right, buddy? Ain't that right, buddy?